Good morning, students. We have already, can you see name of a lesson? The making words. I have already explained you this lesson before, but then as you were not able to hear it properly, so I am going to repeat this lesson again. Okay, we are talking about English grammar lesson. The name of lesson is making words. Now, can you think something, or does something clicks in your mind? Making words means what? Making words म्हणजे काय? It comes or not in your mind? Do you think or not on that? Making words means something which is related to letters. Something which is related to letters means what? Making words. Now, first of all, I would like to tell you there are total how many letters in English alphabet? There are 26 letters in English alphabet. Those letters are arranged in alphabetical order. There is a sequence of letters A to Z that you know very well, that you have studied in nursery, you have studied in LKG, you have studied in UKG. In first you have studied, and now you are studying again in second standard letters. Now, when we put these letters together, they form words. There can be one word, there can be two words, there can be three words, there can be four words. When many letters come together, they form what? They form some words. Understood? And those words should have some meaning. Those words should have what? Some meaning. Now, let us start with some example. There are two examples given in your book. T, N, A. Now, how many letters are there in front of you? There are three letters in front of you. Which are those? T, N and A. Now, from this T, N and A, you have to make what? You have to make a word. Now, which meaningful word we can make from this? We can make a meaningful word, that is ant. Correct or not? In video which I have already taught you, same examples are there, and same examples I am repeating again because you did not hear me properly that day. Here, T, N and A. When we are taking these three letters, when we will put these three letters together, what word will be formed? A-N-T, ant word will be formed. Understood? Next example which was given in the book is K-E-C-A. When you get four letters, in first example 3 letters were there, and in second example 4 letters are there. When you will take these 4 letters, for example, which letters are there? K, correct, E, C, A. Now, from these 4 letters, you can make any word? Yes, we can make a word kick. Understood? Have you understood what word we have made? We have taken C, yes. We have taken A, yes. We have taken K, yes. We have taken E, yes. So, from 4 letters, we can make a meaningful word. That meaningful word is what? C-A-K-E, cake. Okay? There is a question now in your book that for each word, add letter L. Question number 1. For each word, add letter L. When we will add a letter L in each word, that word is going to change. What that word is going to become? That word is going to totally change. Now, first example which is given in your grammar book is S-A-T, sat. Now, in this word sat, what we have to do? We have to add letter L. Anywhere it can be. It can be in starting, it can be in ending, it can be in between. Anywhere you can add that letter. Now, if I will add L letter to word S-A-T, sat, I am adding, okay. For example, S-A-L-T. Sat means what? I sat on the chair. Basne, okay, to sit on the chair means what? Sat. It is in past tense. What is past tense of sat? What is past tense of sit? Past tense of sit is sat. So, if I will add L letter to this word, what that word will change to? Sat will change to salt. Sat means what? Basne. and salt means what? Meat. We use salt in our cooking, correct? Which gives you taste, right? So what letter we have added in this word? We have added L letter, and we have changed sat word to which word? We have changed it to, or we are, after adding L, it has become salt. Okay. Next example is given is SOW. Sow. Sow means sowing the seeds, correct or not? In Marathi we call it perne. Sow the seeds in the mud, or we are sowing the seeds in the farm. So SOW, sow means what? Laune, bee laune. And if I will add L on second position, second, and as it is O and W, if I will write further, what that word will become? It will become slow. Slow means what? Haluvarpane or halu. Understood? So SOW, so will become SLOW, slow. What we have done? We have added letter L. Which letter we have added in this word? We have added letter L. Next example is COD, cod. Now I want to add L letter in this word. If I will add, now here second, at second position we have added. Here if I will add at third position, which letter? L letter. Then what word it will become? COLD, cold. We have added L letter at the third position in the word, and so the word cod will change to COLD, cold. Next example is of C. Next example is of C. SEAC. Now I want to add L in this word. Now when I will add L in this word at last, it is going to become seal. Sea means what? Sea means samudra, and seal means what? It is an animal. Seal is an animal which stays in the water. So sea is what? Samudra, and seal is what? Animal which stays in the water. In this way we have completed first question, that is when we will add any one letter in the words given to you, those words are going to have some different meaning. Understood? Word will also change and meaning of the word will also change. Okay. Now next example, question or example you can see which is given in the book is change the first letter. Question number 2. Change the first letter. Change the first letter of each word. And make new word. And make new meaningful word. Make a new meaningful word. Now I will take 2-3 examples. Already we have done it in first period, means the period in which you could not hear me properly. In that we have done it, but again I am repeating so that you should understand or you should able to hear me properly. So first example which is given here is LET, let. Okay, we are going to change first letter. TELL, tail. We are going to change first letter. Okay, some more example. CAME, came. Fourth example which I am taking is here is RIGHT, right. And one more example I will take, fifth one, that is lice. LICE, lice. Now in this words what we are going to do? We are going to change first letter of all these words. First letter, huh? Now we are going to change what here? We are going to change L. Here we are going to change T. Here we are going to change C. Here we are going to change R. And here we are going to change L. Okay, let us start now. Yes, let us start by changing it. Now when I want to change L, instead of L I want to make some another word, but that word should be meaningful word. And are you understanding or not? That word should have some meaning. Now let, if I will change L, instead of L, if I will write down S, it will become SET, set. Correct? If I will change and put another letter instead of S, if I will put N, what it will change to? L will change. If I will change L to N, it will become NET, net. Net means what? We have nets, correct or not? Swim, people, those who catch fishes, they do fishery, they use net to catch fish. Are you understanding or not? Next one, now I want to change T in second example. What is this word? Tail. If instead of T, if I will write down S, it will become sail. What it will become? Sail. Tail will change to sail. Next example is of came, C-A-M-E, came. Now I want to change C. Instead of C, if I will write down G, correct? Instead of C, if I will write down G, then it will change to which word? Came will change to game. Have you understood or not? I think yes. Now write R-I-G-H-T, write. Now I want to change R. Instead of R letter, I want to add some another letter over there. Instead of R letter, what I have to do? I have to add some another letter over here. Now which word will suit over there? If instead of R, if I will write down M, it will become M-I-G-H-T, might. Right? Yes or no? We say your answer is right. Or then correct, your answer is right. You write in, you are a right person to be chosen. More, what examples are there of right? Some more examples of right will be what? I know you are the right person, or I know you are right, your behavior is right. Then might. Well, can you tell an example of might? I might have done homework, but so and so happened. Or then I might have done my work on time, because of so and so thing I could not do my homework. Okay, so might. Next example is of lice. Now lice means what? Lice is an animal which is there in your hair. Lice, correct or not? Lices, we say lice, L-I-C-E, lice. In Marathi you call it what? You call it oo, right? So English word for oo in English is, it is called what? It is called lice, L-I-C-E, lice. Now I want to change first letter L, and if I will write M instead of L, it will become mice. Mice means what? Mouse, correct or not? There is a poem in second standard, mice. Okay, in Bal Bharti book there is a poem, there is a separate poem on mice. Mice means what? Mouse. In this way we have completed question number 1, question number 2, and I want you to write down this question number 1 and question number 2 in your notebook. Many of you, even if this lesson is over, many of you have not done your English homework. I don't know why you don't complete your English homework. You don't understand what teacher is explaining you. I know you understand everything, but you don't like to write. And those who will complete their homework in time, it is going to help them, because after some days regular school will start, and at that time these lessons will not be repeated again. Are you understanding or not? Straight away, if in September school will start, straight away your revision will be taken. Only revision will be taken of yours. Are you understanding or not? Exam will be there, revision will be taken. So please complete your homework in time. And I think you have understood about how to make words. Words are made by putting letters together. Which letters are put together? Letters from A to Z are put together to make new words. Have you understood? And there is another question. That question I will take in next period. Okay. Thank you.